Hello, are you looking to attend the ultimate legal nurse consulting conference where you will gain the skills to attract more clients, expand your business, expertise, and deepen your knowledge? I'm Barbara Levin. I'm past president of the American Association of Legal Nurse Consultants, and together with my friend and colleague Patricia Iyer, another past president of AALNC, we have put together a dynamic group of speakers for our 12th virtual LNC Success Conference, which will be November 13, 14, and 15, 2025. We have invited attorneys, legal nurses, advanced practitioners, and one of the nation's leading audit trail specialists to speak with you at this conference. Today, I'm so excited to welcome Dr. Jeff Willis, who is a board-certified emergency medicine physician who has practiced in a diverse group of environments, such as high acuity trauma centers, rural critical care access hospitals, and more. His frontline experience gives him unique insight into the complexities of patient care. He is now consulting full-time with medical malpractice attorneys, and Dr. Willis applies his clinical expertise to strengthen his case evaluations and assist with legal strategies. I would like to welcome you and ask you, Dr. Willis, to talk a little bit about the presentation you will share with our attendees.
Hey, thanks, Barbara. Thanks for having me with you today. So, the topic of a pre-litigation consultation and a pre-litigation analysis is very broad, and you've only given me an hour to speak, so I've had to narrow it down somewhat. But in general, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the life cycle of a medical malpractice case. Where do they come from? How are they processed internally within law firms? And ultimately, how do they make it to consultants, whether it be legal nurse consultants, physician consultants, testifying experts, et cetera, because you really need to understand that life cycle to understand what it is an attorney is going to ask a legal nurse consultant to do in terms of a pre-litigation analysis. We often refer to these as merit reviews, but really it's a lot more than that. It's more than just determining was the standard of care met and was there causation and are there some damages of some kind. There's a lot more to it than that. So we're going to go into detail about all the elements of merit, but also everything surrounding it. So understanding how the cases get to you, what criteria need to be satisfied to be able to pursue a medical malpractice case. And then we're going to really get into the nitty-gritty. We're going to look at all the different techniques of case evaluation. We're going to go through different case examples, the order of operations for case review based on the type of case that it is, discuss all the different categories of cases, and how you approach them based on what you are given, what kind of medical records you're given and what you're asked to do. Then we're going to go into the tips and tricks of optimizing your time, being able to do it efficiently, and really giving the attorneys everything that they need to know to make a decision about whether or not to pursue a case. I've added a little bit into this lecture compared to prior lectures as well, and we're going to talk about two more things, one of which is the business side of doing pre-litigation analysis and how to increase the number of cases that you are asked to review, how to provide more than you receive, and ultimately how to build your referral network so that you can really grow your business. And then finally, because it's 2025, we're also going to go into AI and where AI is right now in terms of pre-litigation analysis, where I see it going, and how, if at all, you should be using it in your pre-litigation analysis. So we're going to try and cover a lot. We've got an hour. We're going to have questions and answers. It's going to be interactive. It's going to be a lot of fun. I really look forward to meeting everyone and being able to present what I've learned over the years and reviewing hundreds of pre-litigation cases, and I can't wait for it.
We are so excited to hear you present to our group. And oh my gosh, you have so much to share for every level legal nurse consultant. And your tips and tricks, I can't wait to hear. So please don't miss this opportunity to learn directly from Dr. Jeff Willis. And He has been on the front lines of medicine and is now supporting the legal process with unmatched expertise. So please see the link below, LNC.tips/NOV 2025 virtual. This conference will be November 13, 14, 15, 2025. Again, LNC.tips/NOV 2025 virtual. We look forward to seeing you.